Okay guys, today we're going to look at this YONTEX USB charger. It charges USB and Type-C connections. So, quick charger. If you need one, link down below. I know these things go out and things like that, but this sucker's supposed to have a good warranty. So, let's just take a look at it. So when you get this charger out of the box, the one I just threw, without the charger,
like a little toddler, huh?
It has, of course, it says YONTEX on it, and it feels kind of leathery, and then it has a nice fold-out battery thingy. I mean, wall plug, so you can put it in your bag and not rip up your clothes. That's nice. But it does charge at 3 amps for 5 volts. That is your standard phone charger, things like that. It does go up to charging iPads and higher voltage products if you may have that. The connectors on the front look about like this. So when charging, I charge this phone. And it went from where it shut off to 80% charge in an hour. So, and it made it to 50% charge in almost 15 minutes. So it will get you back on the road real quick with your products and needs. Like I said, if you like this product, see link down below. It's it's just a wall plug charger. So if you need one, this one's an option. If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, hit that like button. It's down there somewhere. Looks something like this.
This one.
Yeah, like that. And if you're looking for good recipes, great eats, my wife makes awesome food and has written down the instructions so you can reproduce it. Made me the man I am today. So y'all please take care. So y'all please take care.
There's an inside joke on that one. So. Bye.